Let's make Gnome's birthday Rumzerac. The first thing we need to do is fill one of our old-fashioned glasses, and the official glass for a Sazerac is an old-fashioned. I need to fill one of those with ice. Not that ice cube though. And I'm going to set it aside. Now I'm going to get a sugar cube. Traditionally, a Sazerac is made with white sugar. I'm going to use demerara. And a regular sugar cube is about 4 grams. 2 of these demerara cubes is about 5 grams, so that's what I'm going to do. Next, Peychaud's bitter. I am sticking with the traditional Peychaud's bitter for this. The Sazerac calls for 3. I'm going to put in 3. 1, 2, 3, and a little bit on the cutting board. And then I'm going to put in 1 for the Gnome. And spill a little bit more because, yeah, it's the Gnome. Now I'm going to muddle those together until it becomes a little bit of a paste. I'll be right back with you. Note that I actually prefer using a demerara syrup instead of the traditional muddled sugar and bitters. It mixes a little bit better, but again, Gnome prefers the sugar, so I'm doing it this way for his birthday. Okay, I think that's muddled enough. Now I'm going to add my rum. 1.5 ounces of rum is 45 milliliters. And for this measurement, I'm probably going to need a jigger. Now that I'm jiggered, 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. Now I'm going to add ice to the glass, and I'm going to stir. Why aren't we stirring in a mixing glass? Because traditionally it's stirred in old-fashioned glass. Not sure why. Now that this is stirred, I'm going to dump this ice, and I'm going to add my wash. Again, Herbstura. I do have a recipe for Herbstura. I make my own. The recipes will be linked down below if you want to check it out. It's about, I'm just going to do 3 dashes. And maybe too many. About a bar spoon is what a lot of people use, or a 1/4 ounce. And I'm going to slowly spin the glass on its side to help get that Herbstura up towards the lip. Okay. Woo! Spilled a little bit of that too. Now I'm going to discard the rest of this into the sink rather than on the floor. And now I'm going to strain my mixed drink into the glass. Ooh, that didn't fit very well. Still worked, but didn't fit well. Finally, the garnish. Lemon twist. I see no reason to change that. It's not a pretty one, but it doesn't need to be pretty. It just has to taste good. Personal philosophy. Give it a twist. And put that on the edge of the glass. And there you have it, the Gnome's birthday Rumzerac. Drink with good spirits.